Hello everybody, welcome to Monday. On Friday, on my video, I put out a whole list of all of the reasons why I think the market is going to go higher. And maybe they listened. Today is a green shirt day. The S&P 500 was up over 1.6% today, which was really exciting. Lots of green on the charts. And probably the big story of the day was really just technology. Back in early September, technology started to underperform, and it's been underperforming the market ever since. And then today we had huge moves, especially in the big names. Apple was up a whopping 6.4% today alone, which is an amazing move for a big company like that. And so I think a couple of things are happening. Number one is we're getting closer to earnings season, and these companies are probably going to have some pretty good reports. They did before. Matter of fact, they've had record earnings and record revenues coming through this year. And I don't see a reason for that to stop as far as that goes here, at least in the short term. And so that we're starting to see maybe some movement from that. And then secondly, the stimulus package is now again stalled. It's going back and forth. It's like watching a tennis match. But these big companies don't need the stimulus money. And so when the stimulus looks like it's coming, all of a sudden you see all these companies that need it doing really well, and then it doesn't come and they fall apart, and the money starts coming back into those companies that don't really need that. So again, I think one of the keys to success here in terms of making money is, you always have your broad exposure, like we own the entire S&P 500 in a lot of our portfolios. But in that targeted exposure, just make sure that you've got, enough bases covered so that you don't end up with huge holes in the portfolio. And so that's really helped a lot as far as that goes. So I am interested to see if this move in technology today is sort of a one-time thing, or is this another trend where that starts to run again. So looking forward to seeing what happens tomorrow, and we'll see if this continues or not. Talk to you then. Thank you very much.